Bainbridge Island has always been full of life, with visitors and residents shopping in bustling stores downtown, families hiking our trails, and students wandering the galleries of our museums. We never thought the activity would come to a full stop like it did when COVID-19 hit the streets.
We were unsure of what to do and what our response should be. People were panic buying in grocery stores, and there was not a lot left over, which then would normally have come to Helpline House and gone out the next day or that same day out to households.
You know, our organization was probably one of the first ones that was hit because necessarily the performing arts are about gathering people, and it became clear very early on that that was a risk we could not take on other people's behalf.
But in all of this change came the seeds of resilience. In many ways, the bond of our community only grew stronger as a result of the pandemic. Donors stepped up to ensure the financial viability of our nonprofits. Local organizations formed essential partnerships, and volunteers stepped in to make sure basic needs were met in our community.
We have seen people start donating monthly when they had not donated in many, many, many years. We have seen our regular donors increase their monthly amount. People really have stepped up and committed themselves to making sure that our neighbors have their basic needs met.
It was a costumer who first said, well, I can sew, and there's a shortage of PPE. What if we started making cloth masks? Everybody with a sewing machine, every actor who'd ever stitched their own costume back together at intermission, every costumer was providing an enormous service to the community.
I just think the creativity and the banding together that has come from COVID-19 is what is going to get us through it.
We choose to hang on to one another, and that's how we're getting through it.
The years ahead could be some of the most challenging that we've seen in our recent history, but we have hope. We have hope because of the strength of Bainbridge community and our resilient spirit. We have hope for the future because of you. We are truly in this together.